Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Fred. I just wanted to make this quick video, man. Um, I'm excited. I'm real excited to let you guys know that we're officially going to be launching the new company on October 1st. It's going to be a Friday, and I want you guys to get excited with me. With that, let me kind of give you an idea of why we've decided to make the change and why we think it's going to help benefit you better. Okay, so I've been doing credit for the past 21 years. I started and founded Approved My Score back in 2012. It's been a good run. It's been a real good run for the past 9 years. I've helped thousands of families across the country to help improve their credit situation. But now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to focus more on my personal brand so that way I can bring to you, to my clients, I want to bring a VIP experience. Now, what does that mean for you, and why do I think it's going to help benefit you in a more better, put you in a more prosperous place? First off, we're going to still focus on credit, but with the credit is going to come different things. One, we're going to teach you how to build a lifestyle based on credit and your finances. Now, what does that mean? Okay. Um, we want to teach you how to be able to leverage your credit. Okay. Now, leverage, what that means is we're going to show you different ways to think outside the box, right? We want to let you know that there's things that you can do with your credit. Now, you can do it the right way, you can do it the wrong way. What we want to do is to try to teach you ways to turn a liability into an asset. Now, what do I mean by turning an asset from a liability? Let's say you have a car payment, right? The car payment, you go to the lot, you buy a brand new car. That car is going to depreciate as soon as you drive off the lot. It's a liability. Now, how can you prosper from taking that liability and turn it into an asset? You can do things like put it on Turo, get around. You can do things like this so that way now you're taking something that you're making payments on and you can bring income into your family, into the household. Okay. This is one thing that I've tested myself personally, and I was averaging about $15,000 to $18,000 per year profit. So this is something that I want to bring to you to kind of show you different things. This is going to change your lifestyle. It's going to change the way things happen within your household. But then we also want to focus on financing. Okay, finances. So our brand is going to be focused on credit, lifestyle, and finances. So with the finances, you can't have good credit if your finances are in shambles because you're going to end up with late payments, charge-offs, collections, things of that nature. So what we want to do is we want to focus on the number one thing that I found over the past 21 years that puts people into the position of having bad credit. And it all comes down to one word and one word only: budgeting. If you're not properly budgeting to know exactly what's coming into the household and what's going out, you will never, I repeat, you will never, ever be able to prosper in life. Okay? If you're spending more than you make, it's just going to be an uphill battle, and you guys are going to never make it. So I've taken my experience, my 21 years, um, and the things that I've seen over thousands and thousands and thousands of clients that I've helped, thousands of families that I've helped get into a better place. Um, and the one common denominator that I've seen is that people did not have a budget in place. So just because you're going to go fix your credit, I don't care if it's with me, if it's with another company, um, if your budget is not in order, you're not going to be able to do the things that you need to do. Um, so these are the things that we're going to be teaching on. These are the things that we're going to be focusing on. We no longer want to stick strictly to credit, but we want to expand the medium, if you will, because we don't want to just focus on credit, one thing only. We want you to see the bigger picture because the bigger picture is what it's all about. Okay, we want to let you see what's in it for you, but also what's in it for your family. Okay, so with that being said, October 1st, Friday, 2021, we're going to be transitioning from Improve My Score, and we're coming down to the complete brand. We want to make sure that we're doing the best the very best for you. So we want to focus more on the overall picture. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it out there. Anytime between now and October 1st at 5 p.m. Okay, that's when we're going to be closing at 5 p.m. But we're going to be throwing a pre-launch party. And this pre-launch party, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be offering you a discount. The discount is going to be on the front end, so the enrollment package. So depending upon what exactly you need or what you want and what we're going to recommend, and we're going to give it to you a la carte, we're going to make the recommendations as far as the overall picture of what we think is going to benefit you the most. But if you have to go a la carte, we're going to tell you exactly what we recommend for you to do. Now, with our recommendations, it's simply that. It's just a recommendation. Now, we understand that budgeting is the most important thing that we're going to be focusing on. So, with that being said, we're not going to put you in a position where you're going to be overspending, over leveraging what's coming in. We want to make sure that we put you in a position to focus on that budget. We want to make sure that we hone in. So what are we going to be doing? What is it going to be that's going to be different? Well, first off, we're going to be helping you with a budget. We're going to show you exactly what you need to do. We're going to have you gather all of your bills. Because it's not going to just be on me. I'm not going to do all the work and you're not going to do anything. Those days are over. Because to properly put you in a position that you need to be in, I need you to get involved. You have to be involved. If you're not going to be involved, things are not going to work out in your favor. This is not a Band-Aid. This is a complete lifestyle change. We want to change the way that you think. We want to make sure that your thinking is going to position you to a better place. So we're going to first sit down with you and we're going to create a budget. You're going to have to get all of your bills, your gas bill, your energy bill, water bill, phone bill, cell phone bill, cable bill, all the bills that come into your house that you get in the mail every month. We want all of them. Do you have a garbage bill? Whatever it is, we want everything because we have to properly account for every single dollar that comes in. So that means I need your paycheck stubs. Why do I need your paycheck stubs? Because out of the thousands of families that I've helped, not one of them has been able to tell me the exact amount that they get paid. And I don't care how much money you make per hour, that's not what you get paid. That's your gross. What we're looking for is your net. How much is coming into the household? So we need to know to the penny exactly everything that's coming in, everything that's going out. So that way we can properly budget. We want to make sure that your budget is in order. Once we have the budget in order, okay, now we know what's coming in, what's going out. Are you in the red or are you in the black? We need to know. Because if you're in the red, you have to get some things in order. You have to prioritize what you're going to have to do. Okay, so we're making a complete rebranding of the company. We're doing a complete rebrand of everything that we do, everything that we stand for, because we want to put you in the best place possible. So, are the services cheap? No, they're not cheap. Are the services worth it? Absolutely. Is there anybody out there that's doing what we're going to be doing? I haven't found them yet. That's why you want to get in while the getting is good. Because I'm going to tell you, what we're going to be offering and what you're going to get compared to, I don't care who you go to, we're way above the competition. We've done our research. We've reached out to all the big companies in the area. We've reached out to all the big companies across the nation, and nobody is doing what we're doing. You have companies like, I'm not going to even drop any names, but you have some of the big nationwide companies, and they don't do a smidgen of what we do. Yeah, smidgen. Yeah, that sounds funny to me too. But they don't do what we're going to be doing for you. We are going to take you to the next level. Our goal is to help you reach your goal. And by reaching your goal, you're going to be mind blown, because what we're going to do, we're going to change your whole thinking. We're going to get you involved. Yes, there's going to be involvement. Are we going to do all the work? We're going to do most of the work. Are you going to do some of the work? Absolutely. You have to. Because if you don't have hands-on in the process, you'll never learn. So we want to make sure that we teach you exactly what it is that we do. When I talk about budgeting, I ask all my clients that come in now, for the past several months, I ask them a few questions. One of the questions is, what is credit repair? Nobody has been able to properly explain to me what credit repair is yet. Okay? But I'm going to go ahead and drop it here for you. What is credit repair? Credit repair is getting items that are reporting on your credit report to report 100% accurately. They have to be 100% verifiable, and they have to be reporting within the time frame based on the type of reporting that it is, and it has to be 100% complete. If it's not, what we're going to do is we're going to request the information be updated to include all of that. If they're unable to do so, then we want them to either fix it to make sure that it is doing that, and if they can't fix it, we're going to ask them to remove it. That's the proper definition of what credit repair is. Credit repair is not getting things deleted that are derogatory. Do we focus on that? Yes, we do. But that's only 35% of your score. You still have another 65%, and that 65% is what we're also going to be focusing on. We're going to want you to build your profile. If you're on an a la carte menu, we might want you to build your profile immediately before you start credit repair. Because a lot of times people don't have the money, they don't have the funds to do the recommendations that we do recommend, because they can't afford to do it. So we don't want to put you in a position to get started with credit repair. We're working on the 35% of your credit. However, we can't address the other 65%. So there's a lot of points involved with that 65%. We're not able to do that. So we're going to have you focus on you first. We want to put you in the driver's seat. So that's one of the first things we're going to do. If you have student loans, if you need to go on the a la carte menu, we're going to have you address that before you get credit repair. Because all of these things tie in together. However, certain things take priority. And we're going to prioritize your life as if it was for me. If I was doing it for me, what would I do? What I would do is what I want you to do. So I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys that. I'm going to have you guys involved. I'm going to have you guys learning this as we go through this together. We're going to get on calls and we're going to conference each other. We're going to go ahead and go over these things with you because we want to put you in the best position possible, and we can't do that without you. So I say all that to say this. It's been a long time coming. I've been thinking about this for quite some time. We were in the pandemic all of last year and all of this year. So we've been going through some changes. And right now, our brand is strong as ever. We want to do what's best for you. We want to put you in a position that you need to be in. Not that we feel you want to be in, but the position you need to be in, because with good credit, with having budgeting in order, your finances are straight, all of this is going to give you the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of, the lifestyle that you've always wished for. So with that being said, share this video. Take advantage. I'm going to repeat that. Take advantage of this pre-launch rebrand, because at the beginning of the year, we're going to be expanding. We're going to be expanding at a rate that's going to be astronomical. We want to help as many people as possible. We've always been at 1,000. We've always been at 500. We want to help 10,000 people in the coming year. And that's going to take a lot. It's going to take a lot from me. It's going to take a lot from you. We want to have you share this information. Share it on your page. Tag your friends. Tag 10 people. Take advantage of the pre-launch sale, okay? Because once everything is all put in place, we have some tweaks that we're still doing, but we wanted to get this information out there. We don't want to wait till everything is perfect. We just want to get it out, because this is going to be a game changer. I am putting my name behind this brand. I'm putting my name behind this. So I want you to support me. I want you to push this rebrand. I want you to push it out for me. I want you to do what you guys do. You know, stay blessed. And I appreciate all of you. I appreciate all of you for watching this. If you're still here, reach out, drop a 100 in the comments below. Drop that you've shared the information, tag some friends, tag me. Let me know that you guys are watching. I'm here for you guys. I want to make sure that you guys win. I want to win, but I need to win with you. You guys have a good day.